this is a Bodega single zone 36 quart or 38 liter plug-in portable, they call it a portable fridge, I believe, or portable freezer. Came direct from Amazon. It said it was going to take closer to 2 weeks to come, but it took less than, I think I ordered it on Sunday and it has come Wednesday. This is the single zone model, and I went with that because it was $50 cheaper, and it was a lightning sale, which got me another $25 off, I believe. It's got a latching lid. This really cool interior light even comes on when you open it. It has an interior basket that allows you to easily remove the entire contents of the refrigerator slash freezer. It goes down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. It's got nice telescoping out at different heights for ease of carrying, handles on either side. And it's got wheels on this side, but for it to fit in the spare tire area of the R1S, I'm gonna have to remove this. We're using 2 Phillips screwdrivers to unscrew the tires. It's just a threaded screw into a rod. I'll put this back together so that in case we do need it, this can be placed in the car and put back together. You can even connect it to a Bluetooth, via Bluetooth, to an app you can download where you can control the temperature that it's set at and kind of see its status. It runs off of either a 120 volts using the provided AC to DC power supply, or how it's going to be used in the vehicle is using your DC accessory port or cigarette lighter port and plugging that directly into the cooler. Kind of see if the Bodega fits in the Rivian R1S quad. We should probably get that cable on first, because when it's in there, it's going to be in there. I wish the cord was on, the plug was on the other side, but it should reach. Gonna be a tight fit. According to a YouTube video we watched, you just have to kind of force it in, and it seems like the restrictive part isn't the depth or the width this way, but the length. It's hitting the front to back edge. Wow, that's pretty perfect, like it was engineered to.
Right, but now that you have it in there, should the cable have gone underneath it and come out this side? Here, just leave it to there and we can probably fish
it through. Fine. The bottom's pretty soft and pliable, so I think we can, I'll just like squish under.
All right, and there we go. Because then we can tie it off.
The vent still has space there.
And should it move this way then more so it's got more of a vent space? Yeah, once we get that tucked in.
There's still a lot of space in the back for stuff. Like, there's storage still.
My cord management's not as good as I'd like it to be.
You can put the tie back on.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Designated Phillips screwdriver in the front.
A toolkit.
A couple tools, yeah.
If I can try and slide it that way.
I've not used this. Which way am I supposed to have it facing? Does it matter?
It's a 360 camera.
Okay.
So a tip for the future, you probably want to put the spare wheels in first because they're just wide enough to create some resistance. And you have a good
Oh, that's right. There's storage way in the bay. I'm back there.
It's about this wide, and the length of this area that you could still stuff stuff back there. You can see how low it closes. The YouTube
Oh, do the upper one.
YouTube guy had made blocks to lift this up
And make it level.
to make it level.
I do like that idea for at least sleeping.
Sleeping, but I think like the leveling of the car's gonna be more than adequate.
Yeah. It might also increase airflow though too. That could be a beneficial.
It seems like quite a lot as is, but yeah, we could increase it by
Yeah.
making some wood blocks.
Yeah. I mean, we have plenty of wood.
So it's got power. There's an app
I'll shadow
set to -4 degrees. This is the power button.
Really cold. That's like freezer temperature.
They'll precondition it when we go to use it, and then you can set it to a warmer temperature. And there's like 3 power settings you can choose from. So it's rated for 60 watts. This is the single compartment. The dual compartment one's rated for 90 watts, but there's a divider between here and there. This whole section is divided.
Do we have a divider?
We do not, because we got the single.
Okay, but they basically use the same press.
It's the same cooler, but
it is nice that we've got this one has the rack, so you can pull out everything.
all the food at once. Yeah, it's got a drain, but you don't want to open that drain while it's in this compartment, because it's not, unlike the frunk, this area doesn't drain. Yeah, we have to make a setting to make sure that this outlet stays on. There's a way to make that continue to be on in the settings of the Rivian panel. There's a light. You can kind of hear the compressor already going, and I can feel it getting cold. Again, the coils wrap around this way, and the bottom actually doesn't have any coils, and there's a coil along this edge. That's a quick look at the Bodega 36 liter.
I thought it was 38 quart.
38 quart, 36 liter.
Oh, okay.
Portable refrigerator. Anything else to add? Thanks for watching.
You just want to lift this out.
That's heavy.
Let me turn it off.
Yay.